Hi guys, my name is Ogo and I'm from Geekline, and today I'm going to present you a couple of cool things. So the first thing is a new component which we have implemented for you. His name is donations or donation, and the second thing is some new functionality which we have added to the dashboard. Let me first start with the donation component. You can see it here down on the screen. As the name implies, it's a component which you can embed on your website for gathering donations for some good reason. It's pretty good for non-government organizations, but also for private persons or companies which would like to gather some money for some good reason. So to be able to use this component, you have to have the cloud content product or instance, because the donation component is also one of our cloud web components, and also payments. So payment, it's a new product. I have represented it in one of earlier podcasts. So we are working with payment providers, and our preferred payment provider is Stripe. So it means when you add the payments product to your Geekline portfolio, you have to do also the onboarding. And when you have done the onboarding, going to the settings of your payment, you will see that your integration must be completed, something like this, integration completed, and then you can use this payment product in different components as donations, for donation, for example. But let me show you how the donation components are handled. As every other cloud component, you just have to go to the cloud content dashboard web page, and as you can see here, we have something new called donation. As all the other components, you can just select it. You can write some title, another test donation, for example, and here you can select if the email field is present, if it's optional or mandatory, and if the name field is present, optional or mandatory. To do it the other way around, to the first donation component, here we will put the email to be mandatory and the name field to be optional. And then you can put up to 4 amounts which the people could use to donate. Let's say the first amount will be €1, the second 5, for example, and let's make the third one, I don't know, let's say 15. So, and then as every other component, we are doing upload, and now the donation appears here. So another cool functionality which I would like to demonstrate is this is our filter function. So now we have the possibilities to filter our components here in the table. As you can see, I have typed dona, and we have here all the donation components. But much more cooler is then we can use the and symbol, and then we can build something like queries. We can combine searches. For example, imagine I have many components here, and I would like to see donations, but since they are 2, and I have the opportunity to put and for example to select a donation which has the word another, for example, or let me see here, the one donation is created today, the other one is created on the 23rd of August, and I can say I would like to have a donation which is on 23rd. So here you can see only the 23rd remains. So it's pretty cool and very useful. But let's go back to our donation. So here we have email field, name field, mandatory, optional, and 3 possible donation amounts. So as most of the components or all the components, we have the key of the component, so we can copy the key, pushing here the copy button, copy key button, or of course you can always mark it and then select it and then copy it. So I have copied. Here we can see our first donation component, and now I will show you how easy it is to embed the donation component on your own website. As you can see, here we have the donation component with instance key. This is the Cloud Content Components instance key, then the key of the component itself, and then the payment instance key. So what I have to do to put the newly created component is just to paste the key here. Now I'll save, and when I go to my demonstration page, I have updated, and as you can see here now we have the email as mandatory and the name as optional field, and here we have the text of our second donation which we just created. To demonstrate it, I will just select €5 here. I will write my email. Okay, let me write G, my full name. Just Ogo, and then here I will have to put my credit card. As you can see here, I'm demonstrating it on my test environment because I don't want to transfer real money, and I don't want to write my real card number, and in the test environment we are working with test Stripe accounts, so that's why we can use also test credit cards like this one, and of course no money will be transferred. It is just for testing, and yeah, as you can see in the testing environment we have also Postleitzahl as a field which is not available in production. We'll put some here, some Postleitzahl, and as you can see, when the form is filled, then the donation button gets activated or enabled. So let me click here on donate. Yeah, as you can see here, now the button is disabled, so it means that the processing is going on. In one of our further minor releases, we will put here some progress button, and and here you will see one spinner. As you saw here, the donation was not successful, and I'm pretty aware why not. And this is because for the test transactions I have to start some special, not very special, but there is a Stripe process which is communicating which in production is already configured on my Stripe account side. So I will need just a moment, and then I will come back and we will do the donation again, and it will be this time successful. Here I am once again. Now I have started the Stripe listener for webhooks. This is one additional tool which helps us to test our payments with the test system, not transferring real money, but just using test credit card and test money. One more thing I would like to demonstrate you. So this is what happened when the credit card number is incorrect. As you can see here, we have some information that the credit card number is not correct. So let me say select some amount for the donation, and yeah, now we can do the donation and hope that this time it will get well. And yeah, as you can see here, the donation got transferred successfully. So these are our news for today. Couple of new components, couple also the new dashboard component opportunities, and of course the cool filter functionality. I hope you liked our new products, and I hope you like us also, and I will be very keen to see your feedback. And if you have some suggestion, or if you need something more, if you think that we can extend our products, or we can adjust them, or we can add something more what you think that could be helpful, I will be very glad to see your comments here down in the under this video in the forum of YouTube. So thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day, and we will keep in touch, and hopefully I will see you to the next podcasts with some new cool products which we will like to present you. So bye bye.